In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see closed tasks ClickUp. If you've ever finished a sprint and need a quick way to review everything that's been wrapped up, this workflow will help you surface closed tasks in just a few clicks and keep that view handy for next time. First, head to your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the team space where you want to review activity. Open the overview for that space. The overview page pulls together activity across the space, so it's a great place to check status without digging into every list. If your workspace has multiple spaces, make sure you're in the right one so you're seeing the tasks relevant to your team. Once you're on the overview, look for the status options and select Closed. This instantly filters the view to show tasks that have reached a closed state, hiding anything still in progress. It's especially useful for retros or audits because you'll see only what's been completed. Depending on your setup, Closed might appear as a tab, a status chip, or a quick filter in the toolbar. If you don't see it right away, check the view controls at the top of the page. To make those results even easier to scan, use the highlight control. Turning on highlight makes the items that match your current filter visually stand out, which is handy when the page includes multiple sections or when you're scanning long lists. It doesn't change your data, it just adds visual emphasis so closed tasks are easier to spot. Now that your view is dialed in, save it so you don't have to rebuild it later. Click Save View. This locks in your current configuration, showing closed tasks with your highlight preference so you can return with a single click. If your workspace allows it, you can give the view a clear name and choose whether to keep it private to you or share it with the team, which is perfect for recurring reviews. After saving, click Closed again. This is a quick way to verify the filter behavior or toggle back to your broader overview. You'll notice that turning the closed filter off brings back your open or active tasks, and turning it on shows only the completed ones. Because you saved the view, you can switch away and return anytime without losing the setup. That's it. You navigated to overview, filtered for closed, highlighted the results for clarity, saved the view for reuse, and confirmed the toggle. Use this whenever you want a clean snapshot of what's done and keep your team aligned on progress without extra hunting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.